Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn about how can you solve fractional equation. You can see in my screen now we have expression in left hand side is x over 6 plus 1 over 3 equal to right hand side is number 2. So how can you solve this fraction? For this fraction you can simplify left hand side and then you put it to fractional equation. Look at this. We have two denominator for this one, and for the first step, just want to add two fraction in left hand side first. You got 6 in the denominator in first fraction, and you got 3 in second one. So after this writing, you have here 3x over 18 plus 6 over 18 here. It's very easy, right? Because you already learned about this one. And after that, you got 3x plus 6 over 18 like this. So how about right hand side? I'm just repeat it in here and I repeat it in here. And you already learned about fractional equation like this. Do you remember about diagonal method? Diagonal method. So about the diagonal, you need to change right hand side become to fraction. You need to change right hand side become to fraction like 2 over 1. And then you take the arrow like this. So when I write down in here, I will take 3x plus 6 multiply 1. Multiply 1. And the second one, you got 2 times 18 in here. And then you got 3x plus 6 equal to 36. And this equation very easy for you now. You learn it too much. And then you got x equal to 30 divided by 3 equal to 10. Yeah, that's why you can change from the fraction become to the linear, and you have kept it on top. This fraction, this equation is not easy. We have a lot of steps for solving this equation, but the main method for solving this one is you have to simplify right hand side first. After you simplify right hand side from complicated fraction like this, it becomes to very easier fraction 3x plus 6 over 18. And after that, we apply diagonal method for solving this fraction equation. Okay, so move to another example. You got x over 3 minus 1 over 2 equal to 3. So how can you solve this one? The first step, I want to simplify left hand side. 2 in here and 3 in here, the same method. 2x over 6 minus 3 over 6. About right hand side, I'm repeated equal 3. So after this, you got 2x minus 3 divided by 6 equal to 3. No, it's not 3 in here. I need it in fractional form. 3 over 1. And then you got 2x minus 3 like this times 1. And the other one will be 6 times 3 because the second arrow in here. And then you got 2x minus 3 equal to 18. And for this one, 2x equal to 21. And then x equal to 21 divided by 2. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so here is my final answer for this question. And I want to give you another example before we move to practice. I want to give you another example before you move to practicing text. You got x over 4 plus 3 over 5 equal to 1 over 2. Okay, how about this one? The first one, I want to simplify left hand side first. It means 5 in bracket, 4 in second bracket. Okay, so after first step, you got 5x over 20 plus 12 over 20 like this equal to 1 over 2. and after that you got 5x plus 12 equal to 20 equal to 1 over 2. So after this step, you have two fractions in both sides of equation, and I will apply diagonal like this. So for this diagonal, you got 2 times 5x plus 12 equal to 20 times 1. Expand this bracket. You got 2 times 5x is mean 10x. 2 times 12 is mean 24. The other one will be 20. So solving this equation, you got 20 minus 24, and you have minus 4 here, 10x in here, and after that you got captain on top. Captain is minus 4, and this number on top, another number is 10. So for this equation, for this fraction, you can simplify it to minus 2 over 5, because I can divide minus 4 by 2 and I can divide 10 by 2. So I have minus 2 over 5 is my final answer for this question. Yeah, it's okay. So that is the way how can you solve the fractional equation. It's not too difficult, but you have to remember on last video you learned about simplify a fractional form. Okay, and we can practice it in example 1 and 2, and after that we move to another example. Okay, so carefully about your writing, your working out for this question, because this is very important. When you have clearly writing, you will understand step by step, and of course that's why you can remember it so long. Okay, x over 3 plus 1 over 2 equal to 3. So here is 2 and the second bracket is 3. So after the first step, you have 2x divided by 6 plus 3 divided by 6 here equal to 3. And then you got 2x plus 3 divided by 6 equal to 3. And then you got 3 here, 3 over 1. And cross line, you tell this will be like this. Multiply 1. And then 6 times 3. So 1 time here, when you expand it, you got 2x plus 3 equal to 18. And then you got 2x equal to 15 because 18 minus 3. And then you got x equal to 15 divided by 2. That is the way how can you solve your working out for first question. 1 step, 2 step, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 steps for solving one equation. So that's why I'm telling you this topic is very difficult. Okay, the same thing for question 2. You got 3 here, you got 4 here, and 3x over 12 plus 4x over 12 equal to 5. Yes, so 3x plus 4x over 12 equal to 5. And then you got 7x over 12 equal to 5. So what if I in fractional form 5 over 1? So after that you have to diagonal 7 times 1, and then you got 12 times 5. So 12 times 5 is 60. So 7x equal to 60, and then you got x equal to 60 divided by 7. Yeah, so I think this video long enough. So in next video you continue practicing about this one, and I hope you can patient, and I hope you can pay attention for writing step by step for this kind of exercise. Yeah, I think this is not too short. I think this is not too easy, but possible for understanding for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.